How to put music on Spotify from phone. Now if you want to put music on Spotify from phone, which essentially means that you have got some kind of music on your phone but you want to be able to listen to them through the Spotify app. But Spotify will only show you the songs that you have downloaded or is available within Spotify, right? Well, no, because we also have a way to import our local files to Spotify. To do that, first of all, we can simply open up the Spotify app. Now by default, when you come to the Your Library section, it will only show you a list of songs that you've downloaded within Spotify. But to be able to import the music from your phone, tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, simply navigate towards Settings and Privacy. Now here you'll find many options like account, content and display and other options. So here you can simply go to content and display and there isn't that option, as you can see. But if you scroll down, you'll find the option called local files. So tap on local files and you can simply turn on this toggle that says show audio files from this device and allow the permission. Once done, next time you come to Your Library, you can see local files and these are the tracks that are downloaded on your device and not just within Spotify. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you in the next video.